चलिए शुरू कर लेते हैं हम लोग। 6.5.2 ट्रांसक्रिप्शन यूनिट एंड द जीन। बताइए इनहेरिटेंस का फंक्शनल यूनिट क्या है? Though there is no ambiguity that the dash are located on the DNA, it is difficult to literally define a dash in terms of DNA sequence. The DNA sequence coding for dash or dash molecule also define a gene. However, by defining a dash as a segment of DNA coding for a dash, the structural gene in a transcription unit could be said as dash mostly in eukaryotes or dash mostly in bacteria or prokaryotes. यूकैरियोट्स में मोनोसिस्टर्निक मोनोसिस्ट्रोनिक structural genes have dash coding sequence. The genes in dash are split. The coding sequences or dash are defined as exons. Dash are said to be those sequences that appear in mature processed RNA. The exons are dash by introns. Introns या intervening sequences do not appear in dash or processed RNA. The split gene arrangement further dash the definition of a dash in terms of a DNA segment. Inheritance of a character is also affected by dash and dash sequences of a structural gene. Hence, sometimes the dash sequences are loosely defined as dash genes, even though these sequences do not code for any RNA or protein. रिवाइज कीजिए 6.5.3 टाइप्स ऑफ आरएनए एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन। बैक्टीरिया में 3 मेजर टाइप्स ऑफ आरएनए का नाम बताइए। ये सारे तीनों आरएनएज की सख्त जरूरत है टू सिंथेसाइज ए डैश इन अ सेल। The dash provides the template. tRNA brings dash and reads the genetic code, and dash play a structural and catalytic role during translation. There is a single dash RNA polymerase that catalyzes transcription of all types of RNA in bacteria. RNA polymerase bind करता है to promoter and initiate transcription that is dash. It uses dash as substrate and polymerizes in a template dependent fashion following the rule of dash. It somehow also facilitates opening of dash dash and continuous elongation. केवल एक short stretch of dash dash remains bound to the enzyme. एक बार दी डैश डैश रीच करता है दी टर्मिनेटर रीजन, जी हाँ दी टर्मिनेटर रीजन, दी डैश डैश फॉल्स ऑफ, शो ऑल्सो दी डैश डैश पॉलीमरेज. This result in dash dash of transcription. An intriguing question is that how is the RNA polymerase able to catalyze all the three steps, which are dash dash, comma dash dash and dash dash. The RNA polymerase is only capable of catalyzing the process of dash dash. It associates dash dash with initiation factor, that is alpha, and termination factor, that is dash dash, to initiate and terminate the transcription respectively. Association with these factors alter the specificity of dash dash to either initiate or terminate. Figure 6.10. Figure 6.10, process of termination in bacteria. चलिए फिगर 6.10 प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इन बैक्टीरिया को 10 बार बनाकर दिखाइए नोटबुक पर. बैक्टीरिया में चूंकि dash dash does not require any processing to become active, and also since transcription and translation takes place in the same compartment, there is no separation of cytosol and nucleus in dash dash. Many times of translation can begin much before the dash dash is fully transcribed. Consequently, the dash dash and dash dash can be coupled in bacteria. Eukaryotes में there are two additional complexity. First step बताइए from line of NCERT. फर्स्ट पॉइंट में there are at least 3 RNA polymerases in the nucleus, in addition to the dash dash found in the organelles. There is a clear-cut division of labor. The RNA polymerase 1 transcribes dash dash, that is 28S, 18S and 5.8S, जबकि the dash dash is responsible for transcription of tRNA, comma dash dash and dash dash, that is a small nuclear RNAs. The RNA polymerase second transcribes precursor of mRNA, the dash dash, that is hnRNA. Second, the second complexity is that the dash dash transcripts contain. जी हाँ, the second complexity is that the dash dash contain both the exons and the introns and are non-functional. Hence, it is subjected to a process called dash dash where the introns are removed and exons are joined in a defined order. In dash dash undergoes additional processing called as capping and tailing. In a dash dash an unusual nucleotide that is dash dash is added to dash dash of hnRNA. Telling me dash dash residues dash dash are added at dash dash in a template independent manner. It is the fully processed dash dash now called mRNA that is transported out of the nucleus for translation. Figure 6.11 बनाइए फिगर 6.11 को 10 से 20 बार। फिगर 6.11 को तब तक बनाइए जब तक कि आपको पूरी तरीके से याद ना हो जाए। फिगर 6.11 प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इन यूकैरियोट्स बना लिए। चलिए, the significance of such complexity is now beginning to be understood. The dash dash arrangements represent probably an ancient feature of the genome. The process of dash dash is reminiscent of antiquity, and the process of dash dash represent the dominance of dash dash. Recent times में the understanding of RNA and RNA dependent process in the living system have assumed more importance. हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे 6.6 जेनेटिक कोड नेक्स्ट डिस्कशन सेशन में।